well, guys, I actually needed to document this for you guys. Okay, you can see how deep this is. This is the major snowfall in the past 5 years. Glasgow has not experienced such a snowfall in a long time. That's why this is really very amazing. And I just wanted to document this for you guys so you guys can get to understand how it snows here in the UK. Surprisingly, in other parts of the UK, it snows, but not this much. And we're very happy to see this. So what I'm going to do today is to go around, get 1 or 2 persons to interview, just for them to tell you how they feel about the first major snowfall in the past 5 years. And you get to hear how they feel about this. And if you're somewhere you've not experienced this, and you want to come experience this also, this is in the UK, this is Glasgow. You can actually come. If you're in Africa, you're missing out. This is fun. This is really fun because you know how it is back home in Africa. We don't get to see this. So I think it's really something very nice. Now we have to document this for you. The temperature now, some of you may actually want to ask, is -2 degrees centigrade. And guess what? When I was back home in Africa, I never thought I could actually be under this weather. See, I'm not wearing gloves, but I'm still okay. Okay, -2 degrees centigrade doesn't mean you will die. Okay, you will die. I'm still here, so it actually feels good. And as you can see, everybody's indoors. Most people would have actually been going to work today. Guess what? I'm off. We're home chilling. And if we were to be going to work today, we'll be driving in the snow. And that could be sometimes very dangerous, especially when the snow is about to start melting. It makes the roads to be very slippery. Right now, majorly very okay. So I just needed to go around and I'll have 1 or 2 interviews and I'll get back to see you guys. So guys, this is Glasgow, and where I'm currently is 12 minutes drive from the city center. This pretty much means the city will definitely be covered in this snow also. Now, just to understand, one of so many seasons that Glasgow has, one of which is the early winter showers, leading to heavy snow. Winter, obviously, we know is the coldest and the darkest seasons of the year in polar and temperate climates. It occurs after autumn and before spring, which is apparently around the middle of November to late February. I'm saying apparently because Glasgow has not enjoyed larger snow showers in a long time, and when it does, it just slides in sparingly here and there. Glasgow can see snowflakes from December through March, with the likelihood increasing as the winter deepens, and January and February are the months with the highest chance. Snowfall before December or after March is not unheard of, but it's infrequent and typically doesn't accumulate much. A weather warning for snow and ice has been issued for Glasgow and the south of Scotland, but some of us are not aware of that. It's not like the weather tells or shows any signs. Anyways, the yellow alert, I understand, comes into force from 10 a.m. on Monday and lasts for 24 hours. The Met Office says this could bring power cuts and cause disruptions on the roads. My guys, they say power cuts, but never has this power gone off since I came to the UK. Back home, the weather would just only change and NEPA would take their stuff. Everywhere is covered in snow. Everywhere is covered in snow. Yes! Anyways, in Glasgow, we don't get a lot of snow like I earlier pointed out. But hopefully, this early, awesome and epic Xmas present is a good sign of things to come this winter. Today's snowfall is truly amazing for the people of Glasgow because it has not snowed this much in over 5 to 10 years. And as you can see in the visuals, these snowdrops are close to 5 centimeter thick. And the people are loving it. They are. All the roads, vehicles, and the tree crowns all covered. I'm just taking a walk around this neighborhood. So guys, kindly come along with me and let's try to see if we can get 1 or 2 persons to interview on the street. Come on with me. Everywhere is completely covered in snow. Completely covered in snow. Oh no, I've never seen it snow this much in Glasgow in years. In years. In front of the news agent. This is just the neighborhood and you can see kids just hanging out there. Would you want to say something about the snow here in Glasgow?
No. We need a new climate in Scotland, that's what we need.
We have so many seasons in Glasgow.
You get 4 seasons in the one day in Scotland. You don't know that, the beautiful joys of this country.
When was the last time it snowed this much in Glasgow?
5 years ago or something. 4 years ago.
I've been in Glasgow for quite a while.
It's not snowed that thick in ages, that's what I'm saying to her. Because it's actually quite thick, man. It's that way. I've not seen snow like that since I've been a wee guy. Honestly, like a wee boy.
You just didn't give any warnings?
No, I didn't. Literally just woke up this morning and it was like a blizzard everywhere. Snow, the thickness. My dog's loving it, so he is. He's loving it, man. The bairns are going to love it as well.
Crazy. When was the last time it snowed this much?
Do you know what? I can't remember. Can't remember.
Are you okay, mate? Are you okay? Are you still walking today? It's snowing. All the cars are covered in it. So when you dig down deep, that's how deep the snow is. So this is massive, and that's why I'm going around trying to interview these guys. I would presume they should be used to it. So I think they should be used to it, but surprisingly, a lot of them are saying this is one of the biggest snow that's actually dropped in the last 5 years. So I think this is huge. So I'm just trying to document this for you all. I know in some parts of the world, snow is really not a big thing. I think it also should not be a big thing in the UK. But believe you me, I can tell you for the past 3 years, I've not seen snow fall this much. And they're loving it. And I'm loving it too. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. As I round up this video, let me leave you with some tips of exciting things you can do in this Xmas and winter season. Number 1, I would just want you guys to browse some of the city's best winter markets and fairs to experience some festive spirits. Okay, explore unique items from artists and makers and pick up a gift or two. That's somewhere around Glasgow City. And secondly, the city center is looking magical with all the Christmas lights. So if you want to take a visit there, I think you'll have fun this Christmas. Okay guys, let me just see if I can actually just take some few visuals, then I'll see you at the end of this video. This time, okay, I've gone around and I've talked to 1 or 2 persons, and I hope you guys enjoy this trip. It's a very short trip, just to make you guys understand what's happening. And I'll see you guys next week. Twali.